Welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. For today's project, we'll be refinishing 2 mirrors. So the first thing we're going to do is clean our mirror. I'm not so worried about cleaning the glass. I just want to clean the outer portions of the mirror. And I want to turn it on the back side and clean the back side as well. Now, because we're going to paint this mirror, it has a textured surface or a rough surface, so don't think I'll have to sand. So once I clean it, we'll just start the painting, and I'll do very little talking. I'll just do my painting. To let you know, this mirror was purchased from the Goodwill for $6.99. Now that I have my cleaning done, I'm going to take my Modern Masters silver metallic paint, and I am going to paint the mirror. Now it has a gold texture. I'm not going to paint that. I'm going to leave the gold. I'm just going to paint the silver. I have very little paint, so let's see if we can get it done with what I have in the mirror. I'm not going to tape. I'm just going to be very careful and paint it. So because this paint dries really quickly, I'm just going to keep painting, turn it, and start on my second coat right now. So I'm done with the front, and I have just a little bit paint left. I am going to see if there's enough to paint the back side of the frame. So let's get started. I need just a little bit more, so I'm just going to add a squirt of water to thin it out and make it go a little bit further to finish up. And there was just enough to finish up the back side of the mirror. Now we're moving on to our second mirror. And the first thing I want to do is flip it around and add my anchors to the back side. Once I've added my anchors, I'm going to flip it over and just clean it with soapy water. Now these are the onlays that I purchased from Amazon. There are 4 of them, and I want to put 1 in each corner. But before I anchor them into place, I'm going to remove them and paint the corners in the gold color that I want. This will be easier because you will be able to see under the onlays. So that you all know, this mirror was also a Goodwill find, and this one was $9.99. While I have my gold paint out, I painted one of the onlays to see how it would receive the paint. So Since I don't like the gold is too bright, I'm going to take some black matte spray paint, and I just want to add a little bit to the inlays before I paint them gold. Once they're dry, I'll add the gold metallic paint to the inlays, and this not a lot, just a little bit, before I use the same paint that I used to paint the mirror. The paint is dry on my inlays, and now I'm going to use wood glue, and I want to glue all 4 inlays to the corners of the mirror. Now I'll just use a towel to clean up any excess glue. Because I don't have clamps, I'll use heavy books to lay on top of the inlays until they dry. Once they're dried, I'll continue painting the rest of my mirror with the gold paint. I'll also go over my inlays and paint them in the gold color as well. I'm also going to use my drill to make small pilot holes to hold finishing nails in my inlay, and this is just to give it a better hold. I'll finish my painting and we'll be ready for the reveal. And here is my gold mirror complete. It turned out wonderful. Look at the inlays. Now what I did do with the inlays, I went back and I added some copper paint to the tips of the leaves, and this was to give it just a little bit more dimension. Again, I am doing this mirror for my mother, so I don't want to put holes in my wall to show you it hanging. So here I'm just showing you what it looks like. Once again, I think she will love it. It turned out absolutely beautiful. Now, she had a mirror similar to this that she had had for years, and the mirror broke. So it fell off the wall. So this is my replacement for her. I hope she loves it. And here is a picture of the silver mirror. Now, I did create this mirror to go in my guest bedroom. I think it complements the dresser beautifully. Once again, if you're not a subscriber and you're enjoying this video, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share with your friends and family. And here we are again, back to the silver mirror. Now again, I created it for my bedroom, and I'm gonna put a picture up of the old mirror that was there. It was a bit small. Love the mirror, but too small. Let me know which mirror you like best. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support. And if you have friends and family, make sure you share with them. Again, I'm moving toward that 500 mark, and I am just a few short. So help me share with your friends. Invite them to watch this content if you like it, or if it's something that they could use. I want to say thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.